Mic check. $12.12. What the heck is that? Is that like code for something that I don't know? Oh, 1212. I don't know why I thought that was code for like saying like hi or hello or something that I didn't know of. Morning, everybody. Good morning, John. Hold on, I need to do something. What's up, Awakened One? What you got, man? I'm telling you, it's so tedious to start every little thing on the streams. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie this time. I have not seen what you guys have been doing this pre-market. So, John, help me out. What you got, man? You already up in profit? You already up on the day? I don't know why. I have an alarm at 8. And I woke up like 8:04 or something like that. And I was like, wait a second. I was like so thrown off because I don't remember my alarm. I didn't remember my alarm or anything like that. So I like thought I slept through or something, but I guess I still was within time. All right, let's see. SPRO and Moho and ABCT. John's already up again, $120. He always green before I even wake up. Okay, so let's see. Damn, what's up, my YouTube chat? Can we just like copy your trades? I'm from Australia. I'm also. Do you need to be 18 and when do you trade on? You do need to be 18, and I would not suggest you copy my trades. Good morning, Alberto Gomez. Good morning, Frank over there. J Trade. Good morning. How do we trade then? You gotta open an account with a broker, and then you learn strategies or anything like that, and then you trade them. Abe Trades back here again. Never quits. That's what I like. That's what I like. Okay, gappers. SPRO. Let me start writing these and let me start looking at them before I talk too much. SPRO. Looks like SPRO is somewhere up here. There it is. SPRO beat. I see beat as well. Beat also already on my watch list. You'd think there's not that many stocks to trade, but every time I type in a new stock, it's always already in my watch list. That's because every once in a while I still delete them. I see Hood on there, but I don't see Moho on there at all. Let me look at it though. Oh, that's a cheap stock. That's why. That's why it's not there. What's quitting mean? I don't know that word. That's right. That's right, Ape Days. That's right. Good morning. Good morning, Urban Hanish. I see you typing. Good morning. Everybody else on YouTube. I turn 18 soon. Why can't we copy your traits? I mean, technically you probably could, but I don't suggest you doing that. What if I stop streaming? What if I don't want to stream 2 weeks in a row? What if something like that? Then what are you gonna do? I'd rather you learn it and know what I'm doing so that if I ever stop streaming, you can do it yourself. Can I teach you? I have like 21,000. I could definitely teach you. I would rather teach you than you copy my traits. Yes. If you really want me to teach you, the only way that I can teach you is I have my course in my bio. You can get my course and you learn everything. I mean, some of these questions you're asking me, you're going to be able to find out in my course, and I go over everything there. And then on top of that, you'll have me for any questions you have. If you want to do maybe for me to review your trades or any questions you still have, help you set up stuff, you can still ask me then. Okay, let's look at SPRO. SPRO looks pretty nice. High today of 228. This stock tried to make a move not too long ago. Morning Blair, 190 support on SPRO. I have a line exactly at 190. Oh, that's the previous high of the daily. Okay, and then we do have that random spike at 2.4. But you know what? This thing honestly has a giant gap fill. That's a giant gap fill. That is going to be hard. 240 is going to be very hard to break. But, I mean, it looks decent. It's got volume. It could do it. How much volume are we at today? 40 million. 225-ish. Is this the one you got your money on this morning, John? So, SPRO today looks very good, but that daily, something about that giant gap fill to me looks pretty hard. And sometimes, well, not sometimes, but I feel like it's so big, it won't even be one of those where, like, as soon as it goes 240, it'll go fill it up. It might just hit break 240 and then take its time on the way back up to fill that gap. It's like from 240 all the way to 4 something. Okay, so you're currently in on SPRO. Hopefully this keeps going. Okay, SPRO. So 190 support, 228 pre-market high, and then 240 starts at gap fill all the way up to like 466. Next stock, Beat. Beat is beaten down. Why is this on my gappers? Good morning, everyone. Good luck and good trading to all watching SPRO so far. What's up, Rafiki? I saw you chatting on the Discord yesterday a little bit, so thanks for that. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So 245 was the previous high on this stock here. Let's see where are we at right now, though. Okay, so this stock is just straight up pulling back. I'm not that excited about this one. We would have to reclaim a lot of these levels for beat to be interesting. Um, and obviously the main one would be that 245. 245 is the last high on the daily candles, so we would have to reclaim that, which I don't see it happening. VRAX is another gapper. Rome looks like have some potential. Good morning, Rome. Good morning, Rome, and thanks for saying rum. Awesome, awesome. VRAX, I think this one tried to make a move not too long ago too. Yeah, so this one popped right back up to previous 378 as high. This one actually looks pretty decent. So this is a stock that pulled up and then kind of gave back its stuff, but came right back up to that same level. So if we keep holding this 3.5 level here, I will look for a break of that 378. And then pretty good support here at this 3.3. So honestly, if even this pulls back to 3.3, I'm not. That is not the kind of dips that I take, but you could see that 3.3 being respected so much. Look at that support, 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 resistance, 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 resistance. I would think if this pulls back to 3.3 on this one could act as support on VRAX. And if not, then I'm looking for that 378 break, $4 break, and then up to shoot. Honestly, this one's got room up to 534. Moho cheap stock. I'll take a look at rum here pretty soon. Cheap stock here on rum, but we need to get over the 200 moving average on this one and hold the 200 moving average. 200 moving average is sitting there at 24, almost 25. So we would have to reclaim this level here. 24.98 is exactly, and then get back to new highs on that one. It's honestly not the best. Let me look at rum. Oh, rum is the one that had a giant gap down too. Strong to bottom out. Kind of broke a downtrend on the 5 minutes. Hard to see, but this thing has a lot of room to recover. I would like rum to get back in the range of $15, 14.50 ish. Do you play Warzone or Modern Warfare multiplayer? I haven't played any of those in a while, but I'll play any. I haven't played any of those, but I could play any of them. My TikTok people, what's up? I started paper trading yesterday and made a couple dollars. Nice, nice. This is not crypto. And what's up, Abdo Bro? Cry. God, my fingers are so cold. Good morning, Mersa. Let me see. Let me quickly scan through stocks from yesterday and see if anything is still holding up. SYRS. We have 2 minutes until market open. Doesn't look the best, but I'm putting an alert just because it's got its movement. It's held its move still. Sling kind of an alert up here and leave that one there. NVTA kind of pulled back, so I'm gonna start deleting things real quick. Beyond pulled back too much. Tell no. Foxo's the one that burned me yesterday too. Armed, no. Sober. This one's still holding its move. Let's put an alert on this one and see if we can get a next leg up on this one. This one honestly looks pretty good. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one still. Sober. You can see that daily candle pops up, and the next one, it's holding it. Look at this, holding lows, holding lows, holding lows. It looks like it wants another leg. PGY, I don't feel like trading PGY. AGRI, no. Frey from yesterday kept going up, 16.5. I think this is max highs on this stock here. That 16.5 might be hard to break, but this thing might give us another opportunity to take a trade. We got about a minute left until market open. So I'm going to throw Frey on here just because I got an extra chart available. Looking for that 1650 break on Frey. EVAX, no. IMPX, no. AMPX. This one was a pretty good trade when I took that one day. But I don't see anything today. CRKN, not really. Put an alert way up here. But I'm going to delete that one. Josh, no. Meds, no. AAOI. Throw an alert way up there. Even if these stocks don't seem like they have a potential, I always throw an alert anywhere close to highs, because if it's not today, it might pop up another day. Alright, so I'm going to stop doing that, and I'm going to go back and watch the stocks now. Market's about to open. Good morning, Mark. Haven't been able to trade recently. No, you're good, man. You're good. Thanks for joining us today. And then good morning, everybody else on Tradecaster. We got 5 minutes to the bell. VREX making a giant flag. VREX making a giant flag. I like VREX. I like VREX. So looking at VREX, and then maybe SPRO right now at the open. How much do you predict to make today? I have no idea, man. It's so different every day. I can't predict how much I'm going to make. I just trade it. I can't predict anything. Alright, Ape Trades, let's do it. Let's do it. What headset do I have? I have no idea. I said it last time. It's on my ear thing. It's like some Corsair Pro Surround something. Why? Heads Corsair. I think a lot of the stuff I have is Corsair, but so far, even the volume in the first 1 minute candles openings is kind of slow. Little fire emoji for ape trades to come back today. Argent trader, I see you there. SCT99, good morning, man. I need new ones. Oh yeah, I've had these for a while, but I mean, eventually all the little foamy part of all of them starts falling out. You can see it, and that's the thing where I usually grab it to take them off, and so that little foamy part's coming off. I guess you can replace them, or you can just buy new ones. I want to learn, mate. Man, I can teach you. I can teach you. Look at my course in the bio. Use the code 150 off, and then you'll get the full course, and me for any help. So far, it's still a pretty slow first couple minute candles. It doesn't look like anything is moving aggressively, even for the first minute. My so far recommendation how to learn trading forex. I don't trade forex, but you can find anything on YouTube. Tamimi FRST halt FRST halt. What is that? PRST 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 halted on the way up. Okay. PRST halted on the way up, and a high of $15 on this stock. What is this? A new recently IPO-ish, or what is this? Blair calling out beat. It's always like the stock that doesn't look obvious, the one that starts moving up. It's like this one's so being down, and then this one's actually moving up. I guess shorts have to cover, right? Market just opened, so I haven't taken a single trade yet. You're looking at beat if it holds 212. 212. I honestly want beat a little higher, because, well, I guess 215, yeah, that's a daily pivot. 215 is a daily pivot. VRAC still kind of holding up there a little bit, but I'm not seeing good volume there. SPRO, hopefully John locked in some profits there. He was already in it. Wow, beat just completely ripped. This is a good volume here on beat. Let's see if we can get over this 215. If we break 215, hold 215, 245 is the next daily resistance, so I'll be looking at that. Beat, nice opening here. We got to be patient and find the trade on beat. 215 is a good pivot, but I don't want to take that one right there right away. I want to see maybe a little bigger pullback. This is good volume on this candle here. Watching beat to see if it wants to hold this pivot here. Might take some mats lower, back down to like 206 on this one. That's a lot of volume already increasing on this red candle here. I want to see if we get 2 minute flag pullback. Look at that volume increasing on a red candle. Good morning, sniper trades. And let me see another pullback here. No. Beat wants to go for it. Wow. Beat looks pretty strong to me so far. Blair got a little bit of that move. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Kevin, what's up, man? Former symbol change. Okay, that's what I. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, okay, okay. Awesome, awesome. So beat opening up a little bit. Look at this buying volume coming in on all of these candles here. Now I'm looking for 215 to hold back up to 245 and 250. I'm not trading currencies. I don't trade forex. Now I'm looking for 215 again to keep holding. Let's try to get the low here. Look at that huge wall at 220 though. 500 orders at 220. I don't know. I haven't pulled the trigger on this. That 5 minute candle's getting stuffed. 215 is a daily pivot, so this looks good, but I'm in small share size now. Let's see. Wow, as soon as I bought it, just dipped. I already did a $100 loss there. Let's see if we flag at this 206. Nope. Okay, so SPRO kind of turning around. SPRO kind of turning around. I see it. Now let's see what the pivot on this one could be though. This is pulling back lower volume here. 215 is at daily. VRAX turning back around too. This one is pulling back low volume now, but I don't know pivot. Maybe this one right here. Now you see nothing but red on tape. So I'm gonna look at SPRO. SPRO is trying to make a little bit of a move here. SPRO is gonna have some resistance here at 215 as well. Let's see if we can reclaim the ADMA. And which one were we just trading? That was beat. Let me put beat. Oh my gosh, beat flushed ish. So looking at SPRO and looking at VRAX, seeing if any of these wants to turn around. VRAX kind of has a little downtrend as well from pre-market. See if we break that downtrend and we retest that downtrend. So draw your downtrend connecting the points in pre-market, and you can see that we're still under that on the dang SPRO pulling back with higher volume now. Kevin NYAX also flush resuming. Be careful with IPOs today or reverse splits. Almost 100 million volume on it. John fully out of SPRO. Okay. VRAX still let this flag up here. It's VRAX. Let's see if we get a dip of like 353 ish. All the volume is dying on the way up here, but let's see if we get a dip here of almost 350 maybe could also be it. And then beat trying to go back up to 215. I had a 207 average and then added on a dip at 196 to get my average 203, then sold above my average on the small push up, small profits. Hey, way to manage that, John. Way to manage it. Tamimi beats 31K at 212, 24K at 230. Looking at VREX here, let's see if this pullback here gets us down to VWAP, gets us down to like 350 to 352 or something like that, and they can get a trade there for the push out of this downtrend. Wow. This is just a nasty flush, but I tried defending that 350 pivot there. Okay, well, I was not expecting that here. I really was not expecting that, but I'll take it. Backing down the 150. Let's see if we get this breakout of downtrend on VRAX. Break a downtrend here. There's a break a downtrend. Let's see if we get a retest. Let's not let this fail. Retest here, and then 378 is what I'm looking for on this one. 378 was a point on the daily. Oh, we kind of stuffed under it. It's okay. It's okay. We're still holding it. Still holding it. I see SPRL turning back around and Beats also turned back around. So I have 1,000 shares left here on this play on VRAX, and I want this thing to pull up to 378. Rosendo AMPX. Okay, it looks like AMPX might have gone back up to tradable range. I have a stop set for VRAX. Let me look up AMPX. Rosendo setting out his alerts as well, letting us know what his entry would be. Let me see, entry 906. Okay, okay, okay. I like it. I like it, Rosendo. Luis, SPR thoughts. SPRO thoughts. 190 is a daily support on SPRO, so maybe you hold 190, but that's not the kind of dip trades I will take, so I want that thing to come back and hold 215. SPRO holding 215 will be the. Oh, wow. SPRO and beat, I want 215. Wow, what a coincidence. Oh, you took the trade already. Dude, I never get the follow through on these stocks. Was up 125 on VRX and stopped that at 35 profit. Yeah, I was up 200 on this one up here, and I'm up 120 now. And if I get stopped out, it's gonna be like barely 100. We didn't get the breakout here. That's unfortunate. Yep, look, I got $93, even though I was up almost 200 on that as well. Oh well, oh well. That wasn't really a good trade either. I mean, I kind of just took it at a panic flush and holding 350, and I mean, I knew the downtrend was there, so I was trying to anticipate a break of a downtrend. So just anything low to get up to that downtrend, which turned back around pretty well, but didn't grab my profit and didn't continue. No, I'm trading stocks. I'm trading penny stocks. Buy. Okay, nice, nice. Rosendo, you got it at 906 and it's $10. You're almost $1 a share, Rosendo. That 5 minute red candle on VRAX has a lot of volume. So I did take a loss on, what was it, Beats? $106 loss and made almost all of it back on VRAX. So I'm about break even today, but I want some bigger profits. I want a good clean trade where I can size in pretty well. Wow, look at VRAX. What the frick? Well, good thing I wasn't in it, and this is why I always have stops. Beat to me is still holding, but I want that 215 to completely hold. But you can see, I mean, shorts and sellers are all over this market still. I mean, everywhere. You see Beat struggling to break out. You see SPRO couldn't even make a new high today. VRX completely flushing. AMPX cannot get over $10. You know, it's so annoying. It's frustrating, but oh well. We do our best to try to make money either way. Why do I trade stocks and not forex? That's a good question. Um, I trade stocks because market open is at 8:30 in the morning, and that's when the majority of the volume is in stocks. So I just trade from 8:30 to 10:30, an hour, 2 hours a day, and I'm done. Forex, you have to find which pair you like, and then find the time zone that works for that pair. And some of them are in the middle of the day, some of them are in the morning, some of them are night, and I don't like that. Beat still holding, pulled down to that 202 level and held it. Holding view up so far, but I want 215 to hold on Beat. Rosendo, AMPX trying to get through $10. 10.15. You should be up $1 a share, Rosendo. Awesome trade there. Blair 320 area is a buy for me. Short scalp, great daily pivot. Look at this Beat. As soon as it hits 215, flashes down. Honestly, SPRO, it's holding that 1.9 and kind of dying volume towards 1.9. So I wonder if it really holds 1.9 and keeps going higher. This had a nice gap up, and 1.9 was previous high of day resistance. So I wonder if this thing just taking a small trade down here. Not my type of trade, but maybe it just actually finds support here and turns back around a little bit. If I was a seller, this is where I would probably get out and take my profit, right? Well, I mentioned this one like 20 minutes ago. Well, look what my cost basis is. I'm a wizard. I am a wizard, bro. Dude, imagine if this thing turns all the way back around to high of days with my 1,500 shares because I am not selling. Oof, Webster High. What the heck is that? What the heck is that, Kevin? Blad Montanal in stock. You can bet on sell. You can sell a stock short. Yes, instead of buying and selling higher, you can sell a stock first. I figured it was German, but I have no idea. Goodbye beat. It means goodbye beat. AMPX Rosendo. Are you making a killing on AMPX Rosendo? SPRO, you got 191 Urban. Bro, I got a 190. I beat you. Dude, the only reason I jumped in it is look at that 5 minute volume dying. 5 minute volume dying, and then the 190 daily pivot. And honestly, this stock has the potential to turn around and come back up. Look at all those buy orders there. A little bit of them popped up there. There they are. And then look at this giant downstream we got on this one. Urban, we hold to the moon, Urban. I got out at the break of 10, took my $1 and ran. Dang. It's a nice trade, Rosendo. Way to kill it. Like in crypto, short or long, can you buy and sell? I mean, can you make money on a dozen trend? You can make money both ways, yes, but I don't know what dozen trend is. Oh my gosh, these other idiots called out the 190 pivot. That's my pivot, bro. Get out of here. I called it first. I jumped in it first. Downtrend. Yeah, if you go short on them, yeah, you can. Everybody on YouTube, if it's your first time here, let me know if you got any questions, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Appreciate all the support. Ape Trades, Juan, VRX, same pattern. Oh, down to a daily pivot. Oh, through that to that 3-3. Remember that 3-3 that I was mentioning on this one too? It's pulling down to that 3-3 on VRX. Shoot, I don't know if I should take these $100 or I want to be patient and let this thing go. That 3-3 on VRX is a pretty nice pivot. Rosendo, do you usually leave runners at all or no? Because look at those. Look at AMPX, almost another 50 cents. Even if it's 10 shares that you left. Are you really going to come down and stop me out, bro? Do we re-add at 190 though? There's 300 orders on the ask right there. What the heck? I'm not messing with that. Oh, AMPX. You can never do it in the heat of the moment. Blair made a little bit on that VRX pop. Nice, I like it. I tried re-adding here, but look how many orders are stacked on this play here. Yeah, this is cracking down. Well, I made $55, but nothing crazy. Let me look at AMPX now. AMPX making a nice move. Daily, our next level is not till $13 though. What do I think of 1060? I think of 10 when I see AMPX. You saw how hard it was to take 10. As a matter of fact, it had like a 1 minute flag over 10 there. SPRO, look at that bounce off of 190 still. But how do I sell trade? Because I want to start in stocks and how the short trade works. Because long I understand you, for example, 10 shares and sell 1 for example, but a short trade how it's the same thing. Now with stocks, I mean you can sell here at 2 1 and then cover at $2 and then you make 10 cents. You have to sell it first and then buy it later. But with stocks you have to have a broker that allows you to ask for them. And I don't sell short, but you have to ask for shares to be able to go short. Honestly, if you want to get into stocks, I would still recommend you start with going long, and then eventually you'll know how to go short. But there's plenty of money to make going long, so. Pixie ripping. Pixie is ripping, holy crap. I'm not in any trades right now. Slugzo, which one are you talking about? Uh, I would recommend a computer. You could trade on your phone, but I would recommend a computer. SPRO is still trying to hold this low down here. Look at that. This thing is so heavy. There's a lot of orders there now. More stacking on the bids. So I went from green to red on that ticker. This thing is so heavy through this 190. I was trying to catch a bounce, double bottom there. Like, dude, do you feel it? You guys can feel it, right? Like, you could feel every stock. Like, you can feel these things. Just you only go long. Yeah, I do. I only buy and sell after Pixie. Oh, Pixie just straight up kind of pulled back real quick. Although that's not a low volume pull. That's kind of a low volume pullback there. But that's a very crazy stock here. Let's see what happens there. Russia threatened nuclear war the other day. Like you can feel these things. What was your sorry, the program that tells you exactly when to sell, when to buy? Is that legit? No, I would never do that. Guys, if it was AMPX had a nice entry, the nice entry was that tiny 1 minute flag over 10 right here. XBEF has a nice 5 minute flag. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this looks perfect. There's still people adding on SPRO. Marissa, did you add here on XBEV already? Not holding anything long today. This is crazy. Anyone interested, check out Ron Gamer 10 of 12 on YouTube. Juan, check out Free Time. I bet your mind blow. Ron Gamer 10 of 12. I'll check it out. XPEV looks good, yeah. But here's the ADMA. I mean, if it has to make a move, it'd be right here. Just pulling back. I hesitated too much there. It's not quite bouncing yet. I'm kind of looking to see if it gives us another pivot here. This 1407. AMPX still going. Somebody else, Coots said AMPX lines entry. AMPX, are you holding? Coots, are you holding runners on AMPX? And it looks like SPRO is still trying to hold that 190. If SPR holds 190, this is gonna have a pretty nice reversal. Beat big candle. Beat has downtrend here. Oh my god. The program that tells you exactly. Yeah, I would not buy a program that tells you exactly when to buy or when to sell. If those things were legit, you realize how many people would be rich and millionaires. I've got small size on AMPX. Okay, what was your entry? Chambers. What was your entry on that, man? Awesome, it's still going. AMPX is still going. Maybe that was just the trade of today. Look at this. It just pulled up another like 50 cents there. SPRO, what's the deal with 190, dude? Look at this. XBEV still pulled back low volume. Look at this. How many red candles can it make in a row? Do we hold VWAP on XBEV? What platform do I use? This is Thinkorswim. It is TD Ameritrade's platform. $10.45. It held that 10.39 pivot on AMPX. 10.39 pivot. Okay. Okay. I like it. Big old rejection there now, but man, dude, I'm just so sick and tired of this. And you guys remember I had Tesla puts the other day? I sold them. I very pretty much broke even on them. And Tesla is finally having the pullback that I was looking for. Rafiki out of that trade there. Okay, I like it. I like it. A little bit of profit. XBEV. XBEV, there's no bounds. And I don't. What's up, Daddy? You guys both stopped out of XBEV. There's just no buyers anywhere. There's literally Green Day, wake me up when September's gone. For real, Kevin. Like, this is literally what September has looked like, honestly. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red candles. Look at the volume. That's 73,000 on each of these candles. And not a single buyer this whole time. SBRO, look at this. Are we looking to get into SPY calls? I haven't looked at the SPY today. I was looking at Tesla. Kevin, have you traded anything today? Shoot, SPY's gonna crack down and make new lows. The whole market's gonna crash. Down 1,600 on the day today. Okay, that's a reasonable day for you, right? It's just a small loss. What do I think of Webull? I think Webull is a good platform. I've never used it, but I think it's pretty good. I would recommend TD Ameritrade or Webull for sure. Market straight dog water. Ape Trade's already heading out. Rob S. Hey, want to keep up the awesome trading on YouTube channel. I'm taking time off to save 30K, then come back possibly. Awesome, Rob. Are you guys still going to be joining us or no? Daddy, not until it breaks this 5-minute downtrend on the SPY. If you're taking the SPY calls, it's because you're probably trying to defend pre-market low, which you got some room still 373-ish. But, I mean, SPY is heavy. That tank yesterday at close was pretty aggressive. Sniper trades, no trades yet. Mercer has some beat here in case it goes. I like it. Don't get tempted to trade all the time. Yeah. Dang, ape traits. That's the way to go, man. That's the way to go. 2 days red now is enough. Tomorrow's green. Lang, what's up, Lang? Man, there's upwards of 500 on the bid. I don't get how that doesn't hold and move up. On which one? Yeah, Kevin, you don't need to pay to go watch on Tradecaster. You have to just cancel out the payment and then just go to the lobbies. It should let you go to the lobbies. AMPX had its move and now it's pulling back down, losing VWAP, losing ADMA. Looks like a fader now. This really is very frustrating. I think I might be red now again. SPRL trying to go up. Yeah, we're still under that 190 so far. Educativo beat doing well so far. Beat it, you'd think it's doing well, but look at that 5 minutes. It pulls down in one candle and then 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 minutes of trying to go up and it can't. Unless we get a big squeeze up to 215. Where's my VWAP on Beat? It is at 207. So we are under VWAP on that one. Lang, no back holding, bro. No back holding. Well, actually, 194. You're at 191. 3 cents of loss there, and then beat 210. This really is pretty frustrating. I mean, if SPRO turns back around, if SPRO decides to keep holding this 190, I mean, I might take it again. But we need to get shorts out of this thing. If shorts get squeezed out of this stock, this thing can rip up and hold that 190 and back up to 220, 220s. But that's going to be hard to do. Frey was another stock this morning that I had on watch. Completely failed. Way better here than YouTube. Is that Kevin? I trade 36. Is Kevin finally part of the Tradecaster team? That's Kevin. Kevin, switch your name to Kevin on. Why don't you put your name as Kevin on Tradecaster? Sniper trades. I might sound like a boring trader, but patience and waiting for the right opportunity is the only way to make sure you improve your account. And that's the only way that a successful trader stays successful. What percentage of your account do you use on a single trade? It depends, man. Uh, Eric, what's up? What am I trading? I trade stocks. Yo, what's up, Eric? And Slugzo. Sorry, guys, I keep forgetting about my TikTok chat. I just opened it again. It depends, man. It depends. Like this stock right here, if I trade it and I buy 2,000 shares of a $2 stock, that's only $4,000, right? But then if I go and trade uh, this stock here and I buy 2,000 shares, that's 2,000 shares of a $20 stock. That's $40,000. So it just depends. So just a slow morning again. Usual September. We just got to get through September. Hopefully get some. Sniper traits. SPY is dumping. I see it. INM. INM. I forgot to look up that one. You said. Oh, INM needs some volume though. Dude, I am trying really hard to try to scale up, but I mean, what can I scale up in? What am I supposed to scale up in? There's absolutely nothing. This SPRO kind of holding 190 again. I don't know if I want to take a trade here. You've been getting smoked recently. Dude, I've been scaled down almost the whole year. SOBR. This one I've had on watch all morning because I wanted this one to keep holding this move and make that third day push again. AMPX held $10 and climbing back up. Let me look at AMPX because that one seems to want to rip right now. Or get flushed on. It looked like it wanted to go AMPX. It looked like it until it just popped up and sellers were like, not too fast, and flushed right back down. Beat still kind of holding lows, but I need this over VWAP. I need this over 215. Period. That's it. Can we copy your trades? You probably can, but I really do not recommend it at all. I want you guys to learn. Ducativo added again at 195 on beat. That's a great ad. You're up already 10 cents a share. Good job, Educativo. Oh my god, now we got Hassan over here from YouTube as well going over the Tradecaster team. Everybody welcome Kevin and Lazy Trader to Tradecaster. Tradecaster, yeah. SPRO finally got the 190 bounce. It popped right up and held 190 again and finally got the bounce. Bienvenidos. Yeah, Kevin, you could just do anything. Google is making a nice run. Beat also finally popping up over VWAP. A little bit of better volume here. Maybe 206 could be a retest on beat. Man, Educativo took this one at 195 down here. Saving money to the course, bro. Can't wait. Awesome, man. Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions in the meantime, man. Beat. I want that 215 on beat. Nice, Educativo. Nice, nice, nice. So, beat. Let's keep watching beat. Let's keep watching beat. Bang, bang. Call out SPY downtrend break. Nice. So, beat. ADMA is somewhere down here, closer to 202. I never got my order filled. Had an order there on the bid, didn't get filled. This candle here is about to close. Let's see. I'm not minding this pullback here on beat. I want to see a tiny little bit more, and then see if we break SPRO. That 190 finally held. You turd. Look at SPRO now. Those were all the shorts that we're trying to add. Those were all the freaking shorts that we're trying to add at 190 for the breakdown. Look at them getting squeezed now. Beat still looking ish pretty good down here. Took a nat on beat down there. A lot of buy orders. Why isn't this ripping up? Time and sales was nothing but green right there. SPRO, that 190 Blair. I think you took it the second or third time. Nice job. There goes beat pop. I want this beat to keep rising like this. I want to take just some profit just in case. Beat looking pretty good, looking pretty good. I want to see this candle close pretty high. Retest VY, retest 206, 207, and then get that move to 215. And SPRO is looking pretty strong. SPRO does have that same downtrend from pre-market, so connect those points, and you have a very nice downtrend on SPRO, and that one is now wanting to go. So hopefully, beat now that I'm back looking at beat instead of SPRO. Now beat doesn't go and SPRO goes. Patience is just rationalizing a bad entry. Oh, did you get out? No. Sniper trades almost eligible 191. Okay. Luis, SPR to the moon for real, man. After we all decided to get out, what the minimum cash need to start? ¿Cuánto necesito para empezar? You can start with fake money if you wanted to, and that's probably what I suggest you do anyways. Start with fake money, trade fake money, and then slowly start putting in your account your real money. And I would still lose or make $1 a day, and then make $5 a day, and then make $10 a day, then make $15 a day. Your account grows as you make more profit, and then whatever you want to top out at is what you're good at. It's what you pick, you know. What the heck is happening to beat? I'm trying to be patient, but you bought SPR at 213 and you're still holding. Gosh dang, you back held that one. Luis, you guys see me trade. You guys see if I go red on a trade, I completely call it. I get out of that trade. There's no back holding for me. If you guys back hold it, that's okay. I mean, obviously that's how you guys trade. But guys, if you ever want to scale up, there's no back holding. You can't back hold a position and be down 3, 4, 5K, then 10K, then 15K. You know, it's very hard. So I took half of beat here because it's not doing anything. I want to look at SPRO, what it looks like. There's a downtrend. I want to see a pullback here, a flag here, and see if we can anticipate that downtrend again. This is what I was looking at earlier. I still have 1,000 shares long on B with a stop right over break even. But SPRO now, all of a sudden, this volume came in here. 197 is a good entry for the 5 minutes. 197, what are we looking at? Nick, that is seriously what I'm doing now. I'm on live. 15 bucks a day is great. A little baby steps. I'll increase share size when I'm more confident and this stupid market turns around. Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong, guys. Even if you sit here an hour a day and you make 15 bucks a day, 10 bucks a day, that's still great. I mean, that's what, $50 a week if you can do that? $200 a month extra? That's a lot of money for some people. Obviously, you can lose $200 a month, but that's why I'm saying you start off small and can do something you can afford to lose. If you can afford to lose an extra $100 a month, then do that. Make $5 a day. Oh, there goes beat. I'm still holding 1,000 shares of Beat. I want to see Beat break 215. Lang balling out on SPRO. Okay, look at you. Every time you scale is a new challenge, but if you have good risk management, sky's the limit. Is this broadcast a bit delayed? It might have like a 1 or 2 second delay, but it's pretty fast. I consider it training with tips. I tell this to you guys all the time. Day trading should be your hobby at first. And what do you do when you pick up a new hobby? You spend money, right? So if you want to learn golf, you have to buy some clubs, go to the range, pay for golf courses. You have to spend money, and trust me, you're spending a lot more money learning how to play golf than day trading. It's going to be more expensive. Um, and so just do that. Pick up the hobby of trading. Now the good thing with trading is you pick up this hobby. I'm gonna get stopped out on beat now. You pick up this hobby on trading, and let's say you lose $100 a month, right? You're paying $100 to enjoy your new hobby. Consider it a hobby. Pay for it. Get better at it. Why do you go practice the golf? Why do you go and pay for a bucket of golf? Why do you go practice 18 holes to get better at that hobby? Get better at the skill. So do that with day trading, and the good thing about day trading is eventually you can get pretty good at day trading where it will pay you back, and instead of paying for your hobby, you have a hobby that pays you. Sweet trades, listen to Juan trades, golden nuggets right now. Well, it's because a lot of people have just the wrong mentality, guys. A lot, and honestly, I don't blame. It takes time, like everything else, if you want to become good. Honestly, I don't blame you guys. I could say 99.9% of us that are here that are wanting to learn how to trade is because you want money. It's because you want that freedom. You want the money. You want to be able to work 2 hours a day and have all the freedom you want, right? I'm not lying. I mean, I joined trading and I started learning about trading because I saw, oh my God, this guy made $3,000 today. Oh my God, this guy made $50,000 today. I'm like, I want that, you know. But when you come into trading, yeah, the money is what motivates you, but you should not be coming in here and looking to make money right away. You should be coming in here looking at a hobby and just literally practicing the skill, get better at the skill, get consistent, be profitable. Then you could start, okay, now I want $100 a day. Now I want $200 a day, you know? SPRO kind of getting a little bit stuffed. I wouldn't mind this flag here, but that 5 minute candle is getting pretty stuffed. I remember 4 years ago when I started, I'd use 1K on a trade and be down like 400 and think it was okay because I still had 600 of it on my side. What the heck? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, and that's why I try to tell you guys now because these are mistakes that everybody does. I mean, everybody that tries to become a trader, they want to come in here and they think their first week they're gonna make $3,000. Even if they have 500 bucks, they think they're gonna come in here and make $10,000 the first week, and that's not gonna happen. So we all either had somebody to help them, like me. I'm telling you guys, don't do that, or you're gonna learn the hard way. Bradley Rogers, I'm pretty break even today. SPRO, I had the trade down here, I missed it. Got chopped out around here and consolidated so long, and they kind of reclaimed it, and I was like, you know what? Not again. And then it finally did it. Beat, I'm actually still holding beat. I don't know how I haven't gotten stopped out, and I don't know how it hasn't breaking out yet. SPRO, we could look for a 5 minute flag to see if this pulls down with low volume, but that last 5 minute candle there got stuffed. How did XBEV end up doing that? Did it just keep fading? Yep, it did. Do you ever short? Not really. No. Thinkorswim is pretty bad to short with, and so a lot of the times I can't find shares to short. That would be the reason why. I keep telling myself to open a Trade Zero account, and I just haven't. But I don't know. This is not pre-recorded. No, it's not. I'm trading live right now. And do you feel like you only have to trade one setup? No, I trade whatever I see. Today was very slow pre-market, so didn't even force anything. Wasn't worth it. Rome, Thinkorswim, good for shorting large caps, not small caps. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I just kind of said that in general because I'm only trading these small caps. Beat still kind of holding that 206. SPRO still flagging here. Both of these, what a coincidence. I'm looking for 215 to break and hold on both of these stocks, SPRO and Beat. Oh, you are here. I am here. The LL Mike. No, Inox, that's an interesting question. Pixie held 1750, 1770. Yeah. Trade Zero has issues with the market open, freezes up, charges disappear, keeps getting disconnected. I'm about ready to jump. I'm too frustrating. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things and bad things about Trade Zero. For shorting, it's awesome, but I've heard their platform is not the best. No, Enox, to answer your question, I do not have a Telegram. I have a Discord. I have a Discord where you can link. You can hit the link in the bio. Are you comfortable trading on any platform? This is a good question because no, I'm not. Um, it's like a lot of people say this, and I mean, this this is so repetitive, and every day trader is gonna tell you this. It's like driving a car. I mean, I sound like a broken record. I sound like the boring trader. How do commissions work on Thinkorswim? Kevin, commissions are free on Thinkorswim unless you're trading options. But today I've traded as much as I wanted to, and I'm paying $0 in commissions. Oh, John, you had some issue. Oh, there goes Beat finally, which I'm still holding. There's 215 trying on Beat, and I'm still holding Beat. It's like driving a car when you use different platforms. I tried using Lightspeed, and something about me using Thinkorswim, the way the candles move on Thinkorswim, the way the time and sales is on Thinkorswim, the way the level 2 works on Thinkorswim, I'm just so used to seeing it. I'm so used to seeing how they move, and I'm like, okay, that was the sellers, that was buyers. A lot of little tiny details that I'm so used to Thinkorswim that if I when I was on Lightspeed, I had no idea what the stock was doing. They move different, they bounce faster, which I thought I was gonna like better, but I didn't quite like it. I would obviously have to get used to it, um, and all of that. But yeah, it's different. Could I get used to another one? Probably so. It just had to take some time. Yeah, I had a short and I was up like 200 and wanted to cover, but it reversed on me when I couldn't cover. My profit went down to like 50 bucks. They ended up fixing the issue and the price came back down, so I covered for 140 profit. Oh, nice. Salva, good moves today. Oh, Sava. Crazy stock though, pretty pricey. Beat, just Beat cannot move. Trade station has been good, great for me so far. No commissions either. Yeah. Sniper trade sending his alert saying 241 break with power and possibly enter 251 on beat. Oh, yeah, pretty high up there. By the way, a lot of people use one platform for charting and another one just for executions like I do, so you don't have to necessarily use what platform for trading. Oh, yeah, that's another thing. Yeah, good call out. I thought about doing that too, but I don't know. I just decided to just stay with this because I was like, what if I could use Thinkorswim charts and then execute on Lightspeed? But then I was like, And then that defeats the purpose because I'm still going to be paying commissions for something that I'm looking on Thinkorswim, but paying commissions on Lightspeed. So SBRO trying to go for another run here. Kevin, you literally have me right now to help you with Thinkorswim. If you switch over to Thinkorswim, I will literally help you set everything up, and you literally have me to ask any questions. E-Trade Pro, I think Sniper Trades uses E-Trade. A couple of people use E-Trade. But honestly, I think the majority of us are on Thinkorswim, which is TD Ameritrade. Juan, bro, what indicator you always use for charting? 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and VWAP, and that's it. Hey, that's good, Bradley. That's good. Yeah, commissions are just part of it, which kind of sucks. But if you're mostly green without commissions, that's a good thing. You can't open a free account with an account with free brokers like Webull or Thinkorswim. SBRO. Looking at this 215, highest 228. $228 is high, and that was just pre-market high. But 215. Oh, 215 is just this pre-market pivots as well. This is good volume on this candle here, and it wants to close high. That's a good thing here. I might take small ads, retest of 215 or something. Maybe let it pull back a little more. We'll see. This one doesn't even pull back. When it doesn't pull back, it sometimes gets stuffed faster. It's annoying because it doesn't give a second round of buyers to really rip it up to 228. I'm still holding beat. I keep forgetting. Okay, but I'm looking at SPRO 228 break. Now I want to see this now flag over 215. I want to see a flag down to 215. Unless it's just going to be a breakout trade. So this is trading different setups here. Oh, wow. What's good, Chris? What's up, man? Trying to get a trade here. Trying to put on a show real quick. I just started trading this year. Any tips, brother? Thanks for the great content. Yeah, my tip is come join trade with us live every single day. Just kidding. What are you struggling with? Are you profitable? You're not profitable? Do you back hold? Do you take runners too fast? Do you take profits too fast? Like, what's your issue, man? I'll help you out. SPRO, I want to see a flag hold 215. Actually, and this is going to finish that 5-minute flag right there. I mean, that 5-minute candle there. Here. That's a good thing. Now let's flag. This is a new 5-minute candle. Now let's flag. Pull down for us. Even 213. 215, 213. This is when we hope we get a little bit of a dip. Come on, man. Look at the orders there. They're getting destroyed. It's going to spike. Well, I saw 200 orders get eaten up real quick. I trade on Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade broker, Thinkorswim platform. I freeze up when I gotta stop out. I freeze up when yeah, that happens a lot. I still do that sometimes. Hey Bradley, awesome man. I've been under trading to be honest, but I think that's a good thing. Under trading. Okay, under trading. Hey, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. I come live 15 minutes before market opens, which is 8:15 Central Time. SPRO, I want to see this thing flag. I want to see this thing flag. I don't want it to get stuffed. Beat still also looking for 215. Honestly, I'm moving up my stop on beat a little bit higher. Passing that. Give this man some likes, por favor. Awesome, Chris. I just saw that, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Looking for this thing to pull back here. I want to get a pretty good size ad. I think 228 is possible. I want to see this thing flag. Look at this low volume pullback here on SPRO. Every night you see me shine, move on. Give us 215, 213. Come on, pull back SPRO. Get a new round of buyers in here. Candle gonna close here. This is the stock market. Another pullback down, another pullback down. Here we go, here we go. Looking to add here. Added my first one there. I want a lower ad, I want a lower ad. $215, it could still be a nice pivot here. Oh, I was like, what? I didn't sell anything or buy anything, but I got stopped out on beat. So I never got to add more, but let's see if this thing turns around already. Well, there it goes a little bit, trying to. Don't let this one get stuffed on you and turn into a red trade here. Just looking for it to open up. Either I take my profit and get out of this trade. Okay, trying to get stuffed. But that's okay, I can add a little bit lower if it wants to do this. If it wants to do this, this volume is still pretty low through here. Still watching SPRO. I want this thing to hold. Never got a chance to add again. But let's see if we get the push back up to high of day. Look at that wall. 250, 246, 326 increased. 100 broke down. There we go. 500 out of my 2,000 share position, but I'm looking for this to break 228. I want to see the big squeeze. Now, just in case I have a stop in place, that's my cost basis way down there. I want to see this thing rip through here. A lot of buy orders coming here. We nailed that dip down there, so now I'm green on this ticker, but I want to see this thing explode through this high of day. Perfect dip entry down there for a lot of us. Didn't add more like I wanted to, but I want to see this thing rip. I want to see maybe even add for a breakout trade. Look at that. There we go. Take some more out there. Oh! That's what I like to see! The 228 pivot's going to hold, and watch the next leg up. Watch this next leg up here. Add it back a little bit. Let's see if we get the next leg up. Wow, 390. There, watch it, watch it, watch it cracking. There it goes. Takes them out on that push. Still have 500 shares left. Oh my gosh, if only I had big share size. Why do I have a line at 240? Is that our next target? I'm fully out. Let's go. Let's go. Fire up the chat. Fire up the chat. Let's go. Who joined on this one? Let's go. I want to see the chat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not the biggest trade, but a clean trade for sure. Not the biggest profit trade. Never got to add on it. Never got to double down on it. I'm calling out SBRO and Argent trade over here. Small scalp on beat. What are you talking about, man? We're all focused on SBRO. But I was wondering why I had 240. Oh, 240 is the gap fill on this thing. Yeah, this thing is not going past 240. There's no way this thing goes past 240. There's no way this thing goes past 240. My YouTube people, awesome. Very good analysis. Appreciate it. Good shit on waiting to, though it was too extended. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nice trade. Appreciate it. JJ, sorry. Chris, everybody on YouTube, hit that thumbs up if you like that trade. Everybody on YouTube, hit that thumbs up. Yeah, I got fully out. Was that a dip off the pivot? That was a dip off. Well, honestly, it was. I was looking for 215, but this candle here. Look at this volume. No volume on that candle. Lower volume. And so I was like, you know what? I want 215. My pivot is 215. Now, why do I want 215? Look at pre-market. Look at the 5 minutes or the 1 minute, and you could see 215. If I draw a line across 215, look at this. Resistance, support, support, resistance, 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 like 7 times. So I wanted this to break 215, pull back down to 215. This is where I was wanting to add. I had 5,000 shares on my order entry ready. 5,000 shares ready to buy at 215. But this thing breaks down and it started pulling back, and this one already had low volume, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a starter just in here. If this one goes red to me down to 215, I'm okay with that one. But I want to add 5,000, so I was gonna triple my position on that one, which would have tripled my profit, but never dipped down to 215. I never got that trade down to 215. Everybody on TikTok, nice crypto niche, appreciate it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I like it. I like it. Now, let's be careful with this. 240 is a gap fill, giant gap fill. It's going to be hard to break. But look at this. We reclaim 190. We put in one flag. We put in 2 flags. What is this? 3rd flag? How many flags are you going to have, right? This thing has got to cool off. This thing has got to cool off. And it sucks because we were buying the stock down here. I knew 190 could be a turnaround. Look at this. If it shows my trades, come on. Oh, this is where I expose myself as a scammer. Here we go. Again. How many times do I have to do this to myself? For real, why isn't it showing my trades? Blair, thank you, Juan. Awesome. See you tomorrow, Blair. Ducativo can finally get some sleep. Nah, RIP HKD style. The daily level was fire, that 190, yeah. What scanner is that? Great trade, Juan. Appreciate it, Rob. Nikki, this is why I love watching you live. Made some profit on SPRL. Good job, Nick. Um, suggested su suggested Neo one. Good. Thank you, man. What was I gonna say? Scanner. That is trade ideas. Trade ideas is my scanner. You're in a hurricane without power or water. How are you watching? Oh, I guess on your phone. Yeah, yeah, no problem. Look at this. 240 is gonna be hard to break. I think 240 is gonna be hard to break. Honestly, I would be short here. I would start shorting here. If I could short, I could short it. I would short up here. Can I short? Nope. Thanks so much, Thinkorswim, for being in the Hard to Borrow program. I can't short anything. Okay, okay. Nice. What is LPTV? Where is it? Where do you see that? Where's LPTV at? Wait, Rome, how you can short this on Thinkorswim? No, you can't. At SPRO, I couldn't short. I tried selling right there. It didn't let me. We're sorry, but this stock is not available to sell short. That's what it told me. I actually clicked the button up there at 241, so let's see if that would have worked out. I am in their hard to borrow program. Oh, LPTV. Low volume. John took that from 231 to 241. Nice. I took it from like 219. Oh, it's still not showing my trades. Hold on. Something's up. Something's up. What is happening? It just won't show my trades on SPRO. It shows it on Beat. What was the other stock I traded? VRAX, $90 there. SPRO won't show it. Oh, this thing just ripped. Looking for 250 break. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Hold on, hold on, hold on. What a freaking breakout. That was the biggest candle of today. Dang. Now. Oh, Sniper Trades took that 251 trade. Now Lang is when I regret not selling earlier. Now I regret selling earlier. Yeah, Andres, you gotta call it back, man. Yeah, I called them and I enrolled them on, and I supposedly enrolled on their program, and I can't short anything still. That's why I thought it just wasn't worth it, but Educativo all out and out here at 265. Nice trade. Shoot, man. I was in it there. And Sniper Trades made $800 just on that trade. Nice. Yeah. That's because that's where I was looking to go short too. If I was short, I would have gone short right there at that 240. So now we're entering the gap fill on this stock, which the gap fill is 240 all the way to 460. So this is a giant gap fill. It's made you money for years. Yeah. Frey was a stock from yesterday. This thing is currently back up to high of day, high of pre-market. Man, this is a little frustrating. I know this stock several times, and I'm only up $230 on this one. You got an entry at 232. Nice. Surprised they didn't halt on that candle. Yeah, kind of true. But it just completely ripped. I bet I'm barely up today, man. Yeah, we can all go back and say, oh, we could have held, or oh, how much we could have made, and oh, look, could have made this and that. But reality, we're gonna do that a lot. So I'm up $300 today, which is okay, not the best day at all. Mm. And SPRO, I mean, you are into this gap fill now, but still looking pretty overextended to me. I'd be careful with this. Yeah, Andres, yeah. It's fun to think about it. I mean, it's fun to think about it, but guys, that's another mistake that a lot of beginners make. They get so mad. They're like, "Oh my gosh, this thing just went up like $15 after I sold." Look at AMPX. AMPX back up to high a day. And you start doing this thing, and you know I can do it because I know it doesn't bother me. But beginners are like, "Oh, I could have made $1,000 here," so they're like, "Okay, now the next one, since I was right about that one, now I'm gonna make the $1,000 here," and they go bigger on the next trade and they lose it. So you can do that, be fun with it and stuff. But I mean, for I mean, if you really want to play that game, let's see. It still doesn't let me. I'm pretty sure I took 2,500 shares at 190 from 190 up to almost 290. It's not there yet. That's $2,500. I could have been up 2K on this trade here from the beginning. You know. Oh well. How much do I pay for this scanner? I'm paying like almost $90 a month. It's pretty expensive. Buy puts with these rake hikes. Yeah, if you bought them yesterday, you would definitely be up quite a bit today. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What stock? You can see it at the bottom towards the chat on TikTok, because I'm changing between stocks a lot, so you can see it down there. Thanks to SPRO, made 1,500s from two entries. You don't need the whole all the time. Could show would work out in trading real life stocks. Rum, you're still waiting on rum. It's holding its levels today, though. It's holding them. Yeah, good job, Sniper Trades. Good job, Sniper Trades. Frey has completely reversed today. This 16.5 is high of day. We could see if we set up a 5-minute flag on Frey. If it pulls back down with low volume on Frey and sets up a nice flag, this could be nice for looking at the 1650 break. Do I trade SPY? Not every day, but I'll take a look at it. And if I see some trades, I'll take some trades on SPY for sure. AMPX is still going. Beat, would this be an uptrend? I forgot about Beat. Where did I get stopped at? $29. Oh, I got stopped out on that flush. Beat, would this be an uptrend support area? Are you kind of doing it like this? Because it could be, but this stock, mm, this stock could not break out at and reclaim 215 at all. It just couldn't. So I'm a little iffy. Oh, I see what you're saying. Like this. Yeah, that's a good trade if you took it right there. Yeah. I just don't know how much this stock can hold before buyers completely give out, because buyers can we needed 215. We needed 215. We tried it at market open, could never hold it, and then tried it again there, and then came back and tried it here. And we couldn't break it for what, like 10, 15, 20 minutes right there. Couldn't break 215. If you get an entry low, that's a good thing. But you're looking for 215 for this stock to open up. Oh my god, SPRO, you gotta be kidding me. Now it's halted. Holy. Oh, it's not halted. Fake halt. Let's see if just tiny share size takes us up to that new halt. Tiny size. Defending $3. Let's see. This is kind of a little bit of a riskier trade here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. What is happening? This is crazy. This is awesome. I'm literally staring at level 2. I mean at time and sales right now, seeing what I see more. That was not a good close. I might be taking a loss here, but I'm kind of sticking it just to see if we reclaim $3. Sellers are in trouble here. This is a risky trade, I know this. We're holding these moves here. It's not flushing, so we need a big amount of buyers to come in here. Dang, I'm about to give all my profit back. Another pullback, maybe pivot down here. I should have stopped out here and re-added lower already. Okay, looking for the re-add down here. Nope, it's just gonna immediately turn back around. This is a candle that's gotta take us back up. If this doesn't start taking us back out, I'm gonna take the loss. I feel like I should be giving up. Ask is getting taken down some of these levels here. We gotta get a nice little pop though. Stopped out there. Let's see if we can get a lower add. So I gave back a good chunk. It just fake halted, so I thought. Let's look for this pivot. No. 273 pivot. I see Lang already called that 273 pivot. If we are in this gap fill, this thing will continue, and shorts are in trouble up here. Let's just see if we can get a lower add. I see Sniper Tree celebrating, but I have no idea why. Wow. Reclaim F3 would be nice. Three might be hard to break, but reclaim F3 would be nice. Okay. Let's take. Still to me looks like a low volume pullback. I'm looking at the 5 minutes. Let's see if this candle holds it here. Maybe a double bottom there at 273. Candle here is about to close. What the heck, Lang? What's up, TikTok people? What's up, everybody? Focus right now on this trade here. Get me filled, get me filled. No fill there. So I'm still looking for 273 pivot to hold. I took a trade there, got a little bit of profit there, but I want to see this thing hold this pivot and then get back on this other side. My stop did not hit yet, so like I said, half shares only. Max, I can lose this 125 on the trade while I'm up 1500, okay? Volume died on this green candle here, so I'm just watching it now. I was up 240 on this one, now I'm only up 100, so I gave back $140, which is a pretty good amount. But I might have rushed that trade up there for sure. Never trade perfect. And honestly, I took small share size on the trade here, got the nice break, missed the second one here. I just want to see if this stock makes a giant squeeze up, reclaims 3, take a break of 3, retest of 3, and then 318, maybe into a halt. If this thing wants to keep filling this gap, it's got a lot of room to do it. So my late daily levels right now is at 318 high, and there's the 2-4, and that's it. And then I'm gonna delete some of these down here. Crowds up my chart. Okay, there's a break of downtrend. Let's see if we get this break of downtrend and then retest 233 and see if we can keep going back up. AMPX is still going back up. There's the move we wanted a little bit there. Call that 280 area with stops below 274 previous pivot. 280. 280. That's what we're attempting to. Okay, that was a move we wanted. Fortunately, not in it. But let's take the retest of 3. Let's see if we get break of 3, retest of 3. Actually, that pulled up with light volume there. Let's see if we break 3, retest 3. Trying to get a little pullback here. Let's see if this holds after that break of downtrend and keep moving higher. Kind of took that little pivot there, 283. Got filled a little high. Jumped in a little early, but I want to see this pivot here hold and see if we get to move to $3. Big sellers there. Buyers are still here though. I'll stop out down there though, just in case. Get the 273 again. No, this thing is getting stuffed, man. What bad trading on my part. Oh, I thought I had it. 273 again could be the play, but that 5-minute candle's getting stuffed. Gosh dang it. This thing is so extended too. Wow, I botched this up. How can a stock be up this much and I'm only up $40 on it? Sometimes I get frustrated too, guys. Sometimes I get frustrated. This is frustration right here. Doesn't mean I'm revenge trading, doesn't mean I'm trading stupidly, but I just, I was doing good. I had a little bit of profit. Didn't capitalize good on the move up when I was sure about my trades. Didn't capitalize on them. Took small gains. And then tried coming in here. Thought we had a hold going. Thought it would hold. Thought this. I traded this so poorly. Yeah. I was up 300, which is small. I mean, nailed some trades through here. This is the one I nailed. I went in here, never fully added full share size, but I nailed that trade. But I mean, I sold through here. I was fully out. And then this move happened, missed all of this. Then this move happened, and then at that point I was like, it's just wants to fill the gap already, and shorts are squeezed like crazy out through this move here. So at this point I was like, I'm gonna start. This fake halted, pulled back down. It wanted to hold 3. I was trying to back that 3 there with them. So I had a cost average of literally $3 and stopped out down here, and then tried to buy the dips here. Didn't work. So got chopped down around. So I'm probably barely green. Barely green, literally. Plenty of time left. I got you. I got you. Next though is a new downtrend. So here. So there. That's what I'm still holding. Sniper Trace is still in on the stock. It looks like. It's this market. Can't trust typical strategies. Yeah, but I mean, I should have been able to capitalize on this stock a lot more. I knew this front end. I nailed the trades. Didn't jump into the share size that I should have. And then on the back end, just that was, I mean, kind of a risky play, and I knew that, but I thought that thing was gonna halt and immediately get going again, or fake halt, pull back down to 3, and then get a next leg up, squeezing shorts out. I just thought that. Nice, Lang. Nice. Good job, Lang. Maybe we're stalling now. This pullback here is losing volume. ADMA is catching up to us. And see here, that 273 entry there was nice. And then this thing rode back up to 297. That's almost 20, 30 cents there. Sorry, guys. Didn't capitalize on that either. Even though I knew 273. But I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. I don't quit. Shorts are in control of that now. Reggie, you're watching this? Not until we get that gap fill. 466. Volume is stair stepping down here. That's a good thing. Shorts are not in control until it goes under 250. And I don't care. The more shorts come in here, the bigger the squeeze we can get again. So I want shorts to keep coming here. I like it when shorts come in. First 5 minute count on making new highs not until 297, so we have some room. Ugh, SPRO, why you do this to us, bro? What about AMPX? Is AMPX flagging up here too? Look at AMPX flag. Riggy, are you trading this one today? Are you trading SPRO today? Hi Juan, what is different Tradecaster member and non-member? So on Tradecaster, there's other people that stream here, and they charge for their streams, so you have to pay to watch them. Mine is free on Tradecaster, so you don't have to pay. But if you become a member, you're able to watch them. If you don't become a member, you can watch me as long as you want. So Beat is trying to reclaim 215 as well. I got some water snapper trades. I don't know why that out of nowhere. I just felt it. Oh man, I'm choking up on my trades, bro. Okay, this is dropping down to the ADMA on the 5. SPRO is. I wonder if people are gonna step down there at the ADMA. Shoot. Look at the bids. Let's see if they start getting it here. This. Let's see SPRO. It went down to the ADMA. I probably should have taken small ads down there. Breaking out of that green or red today. I think I'm green right now, but small green. Okay, awesome, awesome. Lang explaining how he charts things. So this still down to the ADMA on the 5, holding that right there. You can see buyers see that because that's exactly where it stopped. AMPX never dipped down again to that 1141, but that flag right there was pretty good. It's starting to pop back up again. SPRO is still down here. I'm not seeing clear sign of buyers. 281 again is your entry. Okay. Beat also trying to reclaim that 215. AMPX trying to go for new highs. Okay, okay. Did any of you guys take SPRO down here? ADMA tap? I think some of us took a little ad down there. But lack of volume, lack of a little bit of buyers there still. Now we're at the same downtrend, and honestly, if we retake 273, that'll be a good. Well, if you nail that trade, good job, man. The ADMA, I was calling the ADMA. 273 reclaim might be a good spot for buyers to step in again. Maybe a little more aggressive again, but that thing dipped down to the ADMA just perfectly, tapped it, and then recovered. Let's see if we reclaim this 273. Buyers come in and we get another nice squeeze on this thing. This 5 minute candle is looking like a hammer candle. That's a good thing. Uh, Lang calling it out. The 5 minute looking like a hammer candle closing over 273. That's a good thing. I'm just scalping it here, not clean trades, just kind of scalping it this in and out, trying to see if we reclaim this 273 here. Saw a little bit of buyers on tape, so I decided to jump in there. There, look at all that green on the tape. Trying to reclaim this 273. 273 is going to be hard, but this candle is going to close here, and let's see if this candle takes us up. Nope. Maybe, maybe. Still holding kind of the ADMA on the 5, so I'm still holding this here. Attempting to make higher lows. Let's see if we reclaim 273 is what I'm looking at. There's buyers there. 273 is where they're at, so let's try to reclaim 273. Couldn't do it there, so I'm going to stop out real quick. VPA looks good, but AMPX is the one that now is rallying up. I've completely choked on this stock today. I completely choked on this stock today. That's on me, guys. But oh well. I'll sit here patiently. If I get one good trade where I'm confident and go in 25, 5,000, 7,500 shares, and this thing rips 10, 20, 30 cents, that's a good profit. That'll make my day. AMPX flushed now. Maybe you're looking at a double bottom on SPRO down there. Okay, there it goes, 273. Wow. You turd, dude. You just stop me out and then you always turn back around. Let's see real volume come in. I want this volumes to start going up higher, going up higher. I want to see buyers. Let's see the 273 reclaim and hold. Candle gonna close here. Let's see. 273 retest, maybe. A lot of orders on the ask there. They keep restacking, keeps going higher. I was on the bid, and that's why I hate sometimes using the bid. Had my order there, it didn't get filled. I did see a lot of look at a lot of ask orders here. So if we hold 273 here, we might get another nice little pop. Let's get a nice pop, a nice squeeze, and let's give us a nice 5 to 10 cent squeeze. So really, there we go. We want the big volume on these green candles, but it's not there now. It's not there. I'm your fan all the way from Sweden. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Welcome to my live streams on TikTok. This thing has walls left and right. Look at that. Another 200 wall there. Oh, this stock is annoying me. Frey. Let me see Frey. Frey has not hit a new high today. 1650 is a new high on this one. I say move on with another play. Yeah, I'm looking at Frey now. 1627, kind of small pivot. Getting nice volume here. 1650 is high. You might be coming down with something. What do you mean? Oh, like getting sick? I don't think so. I think it's just because I talk a lot. Sold half of my position on rum at 13.45. Nice. So honestly, guys, I tried nailing the dip on SPRO. I just got chopped up left and right. And honestly, I mean, even though I was green on this stock like 240, I didn't take the big trades on the front side. I took small share size, and I only gave back $200 on the back side, which means back here I only gave back 200. Which means if I would have taken this with the big share size in the front, 5,000 shares, something like that, I definitely would have been 5, 6, 7, 800, maybe $1,000 profit if I would have stuck them out, and then only giving back 200 on the back side. That's not bad. That's not bad. But I definitely did not trade good today. My next trade is going to be Frey, unless SPRO reclaims $3. If SPRO reclaims $3, then that's good. Sniper trades heading out for the rest of the day. Awesome sniper trades. Thanks for hanging out with us. You have a good rest of your day. Thanks for making some fire calls, sniper trades. Frey accelerating towards 1650. I might take a breakout trade on this one. Or 1627 pivot. Rum. Yeah, Rum keeps calling out Rum from YouTube. Oh, I do see this low volume pullback here. Retest. Pre-market pivot hold here. I honestly really like Frey as well. I do like Rum though, but I want to see. I want to see Frey as well. Oh, there's the low pullback on Rum, right? Oh, wow. I would keep an eye on SPRO though. SPRO is kind of one that you want to keep an eye on all day long because if this thing keeps holding like that, this thing will make another leg up and push up to that $4 or something like that. Very likely. Frey still looking at 1650 break on Frey. 1650 is high. This stock definitely had a lot more volume yesterday than today, but doesn't mean it can't break 1650. Looking at Frey for 1650 break, accelerating towards it a little bit. Oh, I had my things marked the whole time. No, well, there's a little bit of volume there, but we need a little more for this one to break out through 650, 1650. Moving so slow. Looking for a flag here under 1650 maybe. Small share size, just a quick breakout trade. Run pivot kind of held a little bit, I think. Right, Mersa? Might have had to hold it a little bit, but let's see if this one wants to flag here right under 1650. The SPRO is just finally falling now. I'm looking at Frey, see if we get the breakout through 1650. Pull back here, low volume. Keep pulling back, give us a nice 1 minute, 2 minute flag here, and then I will add a little bigger for the breakout through 1650. Don't tell me you're going to break out when I only have 500 shares in now. 1638 pivot maybe. Rum going. Yeah, SPRO flushing. Well, actually still kind of recovering it. There's no way Frey makes this giant move all day long to just literally stop at 1649. And it's going to break out with only 500 shares, isn't it? Yep. Do we get to pull away? A little bit, a little bit. 1650 here holding maybe, another leg. There it is. 1650 held there, another. I'm out of this thing. This is so stupid, dude. Well, I read that one good, but never got the pullback again, never added big. Broke out with 500 shares after I had 1500. Nice play at Tesla with some calls looking for 292. You're looking at Tesla 292. Let me look at Tesla. Dang, Tesla failed. You already got in Tesla and looking for it to hit 292, or you got calls at 292? Well, dang, I usually don't stay on trading. Well, actually, I'm usually done trading by now, but I see a lot of you guys still hanging out in here. Definitely a botched day. I think today should have been a very nice green day, and I'm barely green, if that. Botched the move on SPR on the way up, and then on the way down, I gave back all of that profit. So I'm up $130. Only up $130. Okay, you're in already. Nice, nice, Riggy. So you're looking for 242. Nice. And honestly, SPRO still 273 is a nice level to look for. This thing could keep squeezing all day long. How is everybody doing today? Is there green, red, small green, small red? How are we all doing? We got 54 of you guys on here on Tradecaster, and then my YouTube people. My YouTube people kind of died off. Or actually 75 years, but I haven't seen any comments, chats on YouTube. Yeah, man, just found out your channel a few days ago. This is the first live stream I've tuned into. Awesome, Romsey. I thought I had seen your name before. Maybe not. Sorry, man. Well, welcome in. Everybody on YouTube, welcome in, Rome. Rome, I do. Rafiki is green. Jims is kind of even. Hassan is a little bit red. Noinox green to red. We. Chambers paper trading green. That's awesome. What momentum scanner do you use? I use Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas. Which, if you guys are watching me on YouTube or Tradecaster, you guys can see it. I know on TikTok you can't see it at all, but you guys can see it on my YouTube and my Tradecaster, and I pay like $90 a month for that, so you guys can see. And that's really all the one I use. I use my gapper and my big gaps and large gaps on in the mornings, but once market opens, all I use is my momentum scanner, my Hall scanner, and you guys can see it completely free in my chat. You still have some position on rum? Hey, rum is doing good for you, man. Rum is doing good for you. Frey pulled back down to 1627 pivot. So, Beat still consolidating and SPRO still consolidating. Both of these stocks can make a move power hour or maybe randomly in the middle of the day can make a nice move. So I'd keep an eye on both of these. What is the app? Thinkorswim is the app. TD Ameritrade is a broker. So up $133. Not the best. Not the best. That might be the slowest day I've had in the last 2 weeks. Nice, Argent Trader. 16 days green. Nice, nice. Good job, guys. Good job. And honestly, this is something that we hadn't seen in a while. I want you guys to see SPRO, and this move is not something we hadn't seen in a while, right? A lot of the times we get this move here and then pulls back, and then a next leg up and pulls back, and a next leg up and pulls back. But this move today on SPRO is something like that you don't see often. Maybe you would have seen this more often last year, but you're getting a move where you're literally what's the expression they say, milking the cow. I mean, this thing puts in one tiny 1 minute flag, goes 1 minute flag, goes 1 minute flag, goes. Maybe this is a nice 5 minute flag, but only one, and it's so extended on the 5 minute and still ripped another dollar a share, 70 cents a share. That's not common. So if you caught this whole move, then awesome job, Zach. Where's Zach? Is Zach even in here? I haven't seen his chats. Rosendo locking in 5% on the day. I'm out, Han. Y'all have a good day. Awesome, awesome, Rosendo. Good add on. You added one AMPX. AMPX, good ad, man. Hey, Rosendo, work on your runners a little bit. Even if you leave literally one share, just leave a runner. Just leave a runner and catch yourself. Oh my god, I could have made another, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents, $2. AMPX, you nailed the bottom on that one. If you would have left a runner, it would have gone you another $3 a share almost. Yeah, Lang. So that's what I was saying. That SPRL today was kind of a weird random stock. Mersa, did you nail rum flag right here? It did flag and did go up higher. And Zach, did Zach get off or was he in here today? Did anybody see Zach commenting? I know. What's up, Umanga, on TikTok? Ape Trades I know headed out pretty early. Holy crap! My throat really does dry out from talking so much. Guys, I don't know. I'm sure there's a lot of new people on here. If you guys are watching on Tradecaster, on TikTok, on YouTube, appreciate you guys being here. Whatever platform you're on, please make sure to follow me. Make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like the videos. I post daily recaps. Yeah, no problem, Rosendo. I mean, it's hard, man. It's hard. So, post daily Actually, I didn't do one yesterday, but I guess I'll include it today. Tough day today. If you guys have any questions, let me give you guys my Discord link. You guys can hop in on my Discord and ask me anything you guys want. I also have a course if you guys are interested in, if you're a complete beginner or even intermediate and you need some help, mentorship, you guys can join my course and then ask me anything you guys need there. You guys will be my first priority there. So any questions, anything you want me to go over with you, you get the full video. I do have a link for it in my Discord, so if you guys want to check it out, you can see exactly everything that's in my course, the whole course curriculum. Same thing for TikTok. TikTok, if you want it, it's on my and my TikTok bio. So here's my Discord link. If you guys are new here, you guys can join that Discord link. And in the mornings, if you guys are early, I have to stop streaming, man. I have to not talk for a little bit. If you guys get up early and look at pre-market and want to find some trades in pre-market, then go ahead and join my Discord as well. I know a couple of people are in there pre-market. John, Andres, Urban, Zach. Maybe Zach just didn't trade at all today. Yeah, I didn't see him on this morning either. Um, so there's that. You guys can trade in there. And then usually when I'm done trading live right now, like in the mornings, I'm about to get off here in 5-10 minutes. Everybody goes over to the Discord and still keeps trading for the rest of the day. Guys, I'm literally choking on my trades. From how bad I traded today, I'm literally choking. Um, Locking in small green day. I mean, I botched it, so here you go. Up 131 on the day with 15 cents. I guess the max I was up was 130. I mean 300, so I didn't really give a lot of profit back, but I did not capitalize today. Oh well. Riggy, I see Tesla's still moving up, so your calls might be paying you some money there. Good job. Um, that's it, guys. I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow, Friday, for the last day of the week. I think I'm still up over 1,000 this week, so decent-ish week. But let's definitely get tomorrow a good day. We saw some good momentum today, so y'all have a good day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, you too, Riggy. Awesome, man. Appreciate you being here. Umanga, if you have any questions, let me know.